Hi friends, my name is Lauren Ellerman and I'm a medical malpractice plaintiff's attorney in Virginia. Today we're going to talk about malpractice regarding blood thinners. Unfortunately, in the last 19 years of doing this work, I've had a number of cases regarding the misprescription of and the mishandling of blood thinners. So what is a blood thinner? Very briefly, it's a medicine that prevents blood clots from forming, and you want blood clots not to form because you don't want to have a stroke and you don't want to have AFib and some of the other conditions that exist in many older adults. And so blood thinners are really quite common. So who needs them? People who have blood vessel diseases, heart diseases, risk for stroke, etc. There are many different types. The types that you see on the market most of the time are Coumadin, Eliquis, Lovenox, Xarelto, and actually aspirin. So what do we see when we get calls for negligence? Unfortunately, we see pre-surgical discharging of blood thinners way too early before a surgical procedure. A person doesn't have their blood thinner and they have a stroke and they die. We see miscommunications between hospitals and nursing homes about whether someone required a blood thinner and they don't get it and they have a stroke or a heart attack and die. We see interactions with other medications. We see intestinal bleeding that someone doesn't realize is caused by a blood thinner, and so they don't take them off the blood thinner for a little while, and then they die of a heart attack because their body can't handle the overload of the GI bleed. We see a failure to reinstate after a surgery. We see that one, unfortunately, a lot. So sadly, bad communication and bad planning with the use of blood thinners can really cause a lot of damage. How to avoid malpractice? Don't trust your doctors, but verify. Make sure you're organized and you've done research yourself. And at the very least, if you have had a horrible thing happen regarding blood thinners and malpractice, call a lawyer in your area. If it's in Virginia, we'd be honored to help you. This is my name. This is my email. Thanks so much for watching.